Hey everyone, I wanted to do a new video for you guys using the CocoPPa app, which is an icon changing app. This is really fun video to decorate your iPhone for Halloween or any holiday it would work for. I'm pretty sure you can get this through for Android phones as well. You just have to check the Play Store and see if they have the CocoPPa app, but you download the app from the iTunes Store, and it is a free app. It's not anything you have to pay for. And I personally love Halloween. This is a start to a Halloween series that my daughter and I are going to do with some Halloween recipes and DIY and craft stuff and all kinds of fun stuff that we have wanting to do because it's my favorite time of year. But we're going to get started on this, and I'm going to show you how to get all of these really cool icons. And this app, like I said, it's called CocoPPa. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. And once you've downloaded it from the iTunes Store, you open up the app, and there's a little search symbol at the top. And you type into the search box whatever you're looking for, and in this case we're doing Halloween. So we're going to type in Halloween, scroll down to the bottom, hit OK, and you're going to see all of these icons. You can actually break this down too by, I went out of it. You can break it down by app, like if you were looking for a Halloween Facebook app in particular, or an Instagram app or something like that. But I found that it searches a lot more, and it seems to be a lot more thorough if you just search for a broad subject like just Halloween. And as you can see, there are tons and tons and tons and tons of things, and you can actually create an account with this CocoPPa. That way you can save things in your account, or you can follow the people that create these, because there's like tons of creators on here that actually design these little apps, or not apps, but little icons, and you can follow them, and that way when they upload new stuff, then you'll be able to see what they've uploaded. So we're gonna choose one, and this is for, actually I don't think I have a Google icon, so we'll choose a different one as soon as it's done loading. You're gonna find whatever you're looking for. If you're looking for Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest, and it does have these little pop-up things occasionally. You just hit the eggs, I guess is their advertising, but we'll choose Pinterest. So see the pink box that says choose this icon. So once you decide on which little icon you want, you choose it, and then you hit the pink box that says choose this icon, and then you are going to, it's going to bring up a list of all of the apps that are available that icon will work for, because it doesn't work for everything. I'll show you in a second when we go back to the home screen. Like, you'll notice, like, I don't have one for the camera, I don't have one for the settings icon, or for the phone icon. Now I think on an Android phone some of those do work that don't work on an iPhone, but on the iPhone there are certain ones that you can't get an icon to change it for. I don't know why, but you can't. But we're going to scroll down to Pinterest, since this was a Pinterest one. And it's going to pop up a box and ask you, if that's what you want to call it, and you can change it if you want to, but you just hit OK. And then you're going to wait on this box or this page to come up, and then it's going to tell you to touch the little share button, tap button, and then once you tap that, you're going to scroll over at the bottom where these things right here are, these icons, and you're going to hit add to home screen. And it's going to pop up again and ask you to verify that's what you want to call it. And then you hit add. And then that's going to put it on your phone. And obviously if you wanted that on like your main home screen of your phone, you would just, touch it and then move it over to your main home screen. But I already have a Pinterest one on my phone, so I'm not going to change anything. But I will open it up, and it's going to ask you, this is actually new in iOS 9. Prior versions of iOS didn't ask you about opening, I guess to give it permission or whatever, but in iOS 9, when it updated, it asks open this page, and it may say Pinterest or Facebook, whatever it is you're trying to open, and you just tell it open. And then it will immediately open up your app. Now, one thing I will say, and real quick, let me say this. It will open up a blank Safari page that you just need to close out. I mean, it's really not a big deal. It's just how it links the two together. But let me say this. You can all of the original icons for the app, like this is the original Pinterest, the original Facebook, when you download them, from the iTunes store or the ones that came pre-installed on your phone, you have to leave the original icons on there. If you delete these off, the little icons, the little decorative icons, will not work because they have linked them together is what it's done. Now, I just have mine, as you can see, on the very back page, I guess you would call it, on my phone. If you wanted to, put them all in one little folder so it wouldn't take up so much space, and have them all spread out like I do, that would work fine too. Just keep them on your phone. Don't delete them. So, as you can see, what I was talking about a second ago, you can see the camera icon, the settings, the clock, the phone. There's just a handful of the ones that come pre-installed on your phone that it won't let you change for whatever reason, with the iPhone anyway. But, okay, now that you know how to change your icons, you can also change your wallpaper through this. So we're going to choose Wallpaper. We're going to go to Halloween, hit OK. And then you're going to see all kinds of wallpapers. There are a ton of icons and wallpapers through this to choose from. Lots and lots and lots of them. So I'll just choose one. I'll choose this cute little cat that looks like my cat. And then with this, you're going to hit download, the pink box that says download. And you don't have to do anything else with this. It's going to automatically come up and say, saved it to camera roll. So you're going to go back to your settings. You're going to scroll down to display. Oops, wrong one. Not display, wallpaper. And these are the ones that I have set on my phone right now. And then choose new wallpaper. You can see it saved it to the camera roll, but it actually creates a folder that says CocoPPa Wallpaper. And these are all the ones that I've downloaded. And that's the one that we just downloaded. And then that's a little blurry, but I'll show you some other ones. I've got that one. This is the one that I have for my lock screen. This is the one I have set right now for my home screen. There's all kinds of them. Basically anything you could possibly want to change your picture to. And then you would just hit set, and you can tell it either lock screen or home screen or set both. But I'm not going to do it because I already have mine set. So I think that's kind of cool that you can save all those on there. I mean, obviously you can get any picture off the internet and just tell it to save photo to put as your wallpaper, your background. But it's kind of cool that this app offers so many different choices all in the same spot. So I would definitely recommend this. This app is totally cool. Let me show you guys real quick. Before I had the Halloween ones, I had these pink and silver and pink glittery ones, and my background was like a pink glittery silver background. So, and I had all kinds of them for that. So you can choose all kinds of stuff, just about anything you can think of. They have something that would match it. But I hope you guys check it out. And like I said, just go to iTunes, look up CocoPPa. I will put, well, I guess I need to put a link in the description box, but I'll just make sure the name is in there so you know how to spell it and the title and everything. So I hope you guys like it. And as I said, my daughter and I are going to be doing some Halloween videos coming up real soon with some Halloween treats and DIY crafts. I did a potion bottle video last year, and I was supposed to do a DIY to show you guys how to create them. Well, it wasn't a potion bottle video. It was a Halloween room tour, I think, and pictures of the potion bottles. And I was going to do a video to show you all how to make them, and didn't get a chance to until after the holiday. So I'm definitely going to do that this year. So be on the lookout for that and all the other cool videos we have coming up. So I will see y'all later. Bye.